You've spent weeks, maybe even months, dreaming, planning, and carefully nurturing your garden. Those first little sprouts finally push through the soil. The leaves unfurl, looking vibrant and full of promise. You can almost taste the crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and sweet peppers. And then, seemingly overnight, it happens. You spot tiny holes on the leaves. Your precious seedlings are snipped right at the soil line. A sticky, fine webbing is all over your beautiful squash. Your garden, your peaceful sanctuary, is under attack. Pests have moved in and they're threatening to undo all your hard work. Before you grab a chemical spray that could harm your family and the beneficial insects your garden desperately needs, what if I told you there's a better way? What if you could build a natural, powerful, chemical-free force field to protect your vegetables? A living shield made of common, beautiful plants that can stop pests right in their tracks. Today, we're revealing the 7 plants that create this protective barrier, turning your vulnerable garden into a thriving fortress. 1. Marigolds, the underground guardians. First up is a classic, cheerful flower that's so much more than just a pretty face, the marigold. Many gardeners already love these sunny orange and yellow blooms, but their real power is hidden, working both above and below the ground. French marigolds, in particular, are one of the most well-known natural pest deterrents out there. Above ground, their strong, sharp scent acts like a confusing cloud that messes with pests like aphids and whiteflies. Pests use smell to find their next meal, and the powerful aroma of marigolds effectively hides the scent of your tasty tomatoes and beans. But the real magic happens underground. The roots of certain marigold varieties, especially French marigolds, Tagetes patula, release a potent chemical called alpha-terthionyl. This natural compound is seriously bad news for one of the garden's most sneaky and invisible enemies, root knot nematodes. These microscopic worms attack plant roots, causing them to swell and stunt growth, which leads to weak, sad-looking plants. The chemical from the marigold roots can stop nematode eggs from hatching and even kill the worms themselves, cleaning up the soil around your precious vegetables. For the best results, plant a thick border of marigolds around your garden beds to create a first line of defense that works 24/7. They act as a living barrier, all while attracting helpful insects like hoverflies and ladybugs. Section 2. Basil, the tomato's best friend. If you're growing tomatoes, you absolutely should be growing basil right alongside them. This culinary herb is more than just the star of your pesto recipe. It's a powerful guardian for your most prized tomato plants. The relationship between basil and tomatoes is a perfect example of companion planting done right. The strong, sweet, and slightly peppery smell of basil naturally repels some of the most destructive tomato pests. It's fantastic at driving away mosquitoes, flies, and most importantly, the dreaded tomato hornworm. The way this works is pretty cool. Pests like the adult tomato hornworm moth find your plants by their smell. By interplanting basil with your tomatoes, you create a scent masking effect. The basil's strong fragrance confuses the moths, making it much harder for them to find your tomato plants to lay their eggs. Fewer eggs mean fewer of those giant green caterpillars munching through your plant's leaves. Research from Penn State Extension confirms that surrounding tomatoes with basil can reduce the egg-laying behavior of adult tomato hornworms. As a bonus, generations of gardeners swear that planting basil near tomatoes actually makes the fruit taste better, a claim that makes perfect sense if healthier plants produce more flavorful fruit. For the best results, tuck basil plants in between your tomato and pepper plants to create a delicious and defensive partnership. 3. Mint, the aggressive protector. Next on our list is a plant so powerful you have to handle it with care. Mint. When it comes to repelling pests, mint is an absolute beast. The strong menthol smell in varieties like peppermint and spearmint is hated by a whole range of insects, including aphids, flea beetles, cabbage moths, ants, and even spiders and mosquitoes. That refreshing aroma we love is a full-on assault on the senses of many garden pests, making them want to stay far away. However, and this is a big one, you have to contain it. Mint is famously invasive. Its runners will spread aggressively through your garden, and what started as a helpful plant can quickly turn into a relentless weed, choking out the very vegetables you're trying to protect. The best way to use mint is to plant it in containers. You can then place these pots around the edges of your garden or even sink the whole pot into the ground near vulnerable crops like cabbage and broccoli. This keeps the roots in check while letting the powerful pest-repelling scent do its job. You can also whip up a homemade pest spray by steeping fresh mint leaves in water. So, while mint needs to be managed responsibly, its raw pest-repelling power makes it a fantastic, if aggressive, friend to have in the organic garden. 4. Rosemary, the hardy sentinel. If you're looking for a low-maintenance, high-impact pest defender, look no further than rosemary. This woody evergreen herb isn't just for cooking. It's a tough, aromatic guardian for your vegetable patch. Rosemary's strength comes from its intense, fragrant oils, which contain compounds that many pests can't stand. Its powerful scent is especially good at masking the smells that lead pests right to their favorite targets. This makes it an amazing companion for crops that are often attacked by pests that hunt by scent. Rosemary is famous for its ability to repel the carrot rust fly, the cabbage moth, and different kinds of bean beetles. The carrot fly, for instance, heavily relies on scent to find carrot roots. By planting rows of carrots with rosemary, you create a strong scent barrier that confuses the flies and protects your root veggies. It's also a tough plant that can handle drought and thrives in many climates, giving you year-round protection. It's a beautiful, functional, and formidable sentinel standing guard over your garden. 5. Lavender, the aromatic defender. Imagine a plant so beautiful it could be a centerpiece in your garden, yet so powerful it keeps pests away while attracting vital pollinators. That's lavender. The same calming floral scent we love in soaps and essential oils is a strong deterrent for a bunch of unwanted garden guests. Lavender's fragrance is packed with natural compounds that mess with the sensory receptors of pests like mosquitoes, moths, flies, and fleas. Planting lavender strategically can create a fragrant force field around your garden. A hedge of it along a border or near a patio acts as a beautiful barrier that pests don't want to cross. It's especially helpful near plants like cabbage and kale, as its scent helps hide them from cabbage moths. But while lavender pushes away destructive insects, it's a magnet for beneficial ones. Its purple flowers are irresistible to bees, butterflies, and other pollinators that are absolutely essential for a healthy, productive garden. This makes lavender a master of garden diplomacy, welcoming the good guys while showing the bad guys the door. We've covered 5 incredible plant guardians so far, each with its own unique superpower. Are you already using some of these in your garden? Which one are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're finding this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making your garden thrive. Now, let's get to our final 2, including one of the most powerful natural insecticides on our list. 6. Garlic, the pungent protector. When you really want to send a clear message to garden pests, plant garlic. As a member of the allium family, garlic's power is in its pungent, sulfurous compounds that it releases into the air and soil. This strong odor is an all-natural broad-spectrum repellent that works against an impressive list of pests, including aphids, carrot flies, Japanese beetles, and even some larger critters like rabbits. The best part about garlic is how versatile it is. You can intercrop it among your vegetables to confuse pests looking for your prize crops, or you can use it to make a powerful homemade spray. It's an especially great partner for roses, where it helps repel the aphids that love to feast on new growth. It also offers protection to lettuce, carrots, and broccoli. To make a potent garlic spray, just crush a few cloves of garlic, let them steep in water overnight, strain the liquid, and add a drop of dish soap to help it stick to plant leaves. This mixture doesn't usually kill insects on contact, but it makes the plants taste so bad that pests will quickly move on to find a meal elsewhere. 7. Neem, the ultimate disruptor. We've saved one of the most powerful for last. While the other plants on our list are fantastic repellents, neem takes pest control to a whole other level. Derived from the seeds of the neem tree, this plant contains a group of powerful compounds called limonoids, with the most famous being azadirachtin. Neem doesn't just repel pests, it wages a multi-front war on them by disrupting their entire life cycle. When an insect eats even a tiny amount of a plant treated with neem, the azadirachtin gets to work. It acts as an anti-fetid, making the pest lose its appetite. It also works as a hormone disruptor, messing with the insect's ability to grow, molt, and reproduce. Eggs may not hatch, larvae can't mature properly, and adults are often stopped from laying new eggs. This makes neem incredibly effective against a huge range of pests, including aphids, whiteflies, mealybugs, thrips, and spider mites. While you can grow a neem tree in warmer climates, most gardeners use it as a commercially available oil. You can apply it as a spray or a soil drench for systemic protection. And because it works in so many different ways, it's much harder for pests to develop resistance to it compared to single-action chemical pesticides. So there you have it, 7 powerful, natural, and beautiful plants that can stand guard over your garden. From the underground protection of marigolds to the life cycle disruption of neem, you now have the tools to build a layered, living defense system. You can use marigolds as your perimeter fence, interplant with the aromatic shields of basil and rosemary, use the aggressive power of containerized mint, and bring in the force of garlic and neem when pests show up. By embracing companion planting, you're not just fighting pests. You're building a stronger, more resilient, and healthier ecosystem. You're working with nature, not against it. No single plant is a magic bullet, but by combining their strengths, you can dramatically reduce pest problems and finally enjoy the bountiful, chemical-free harvest you deserve. Your garden is no longer just a buffet. It's a fortress, protected by its own living army.